Having a business is not easy. It takes a lot of time and dedication. It is necessary to constantly carry out research, increase communication, promote and sell the product or service, grow followers on social networks, register accounts, among other tasks. There are several applications that can help make all these activities simpler. These are some that can help you make the most of your day. Slack. This team communication tool gathers group exchanges in one place, making information instantly available and searchable wherever you go. Status Brew is a complement to the publication of social media and streamlines the process of reaching your fan base, so it is easy to program content on social networks. It helps increase your reach by ensuring you get the most out of each post, sharing content on various social networks and making sure it is published at the optimal time for more followers to see your updates. Square allows users to manage a business from anywhere by accepting credit cards through a free card reader and free point of sale tools. Trello is a collaboration tool that organizes your projects in boards, lists and cards so you can better prioritize your work. Evernote. Through the Evernote web and mobile application, you can create digital notes for everything from tracking your expenses and managing your calendar to creating slideshows and planning your next trip, be it personal or commercial expenses. Evernote lets you take a screenshot of your receipt right after payment, which facilitates the location of future expenses.